See, my dreams got called names too. Silly, foolish, impossible. But I kept dreaming.
If only you could see me now, I live my dream, I owe it all to you.
Don't worry, bud. I'm not gonna let anything happen to you.
Isn't it crazy?
I promise.
Yeah, isn't it crazy?
You're my best friend, bud.
All because of you.